Guys, CMF Phone 2 Pro is here, and in this video we'll see, is this the best phone under 20,000 rupees. You're watching Tech Vendor, and don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. In this generation, they added support for the interchangeable camera lenses like macro lenses, ultra-wide lenses for the primary camera. Unlike CMF Phone 1, we cannot slap the back covers, but we can add attachable accessories. This is slimmer and lighter compared to the CMF Phone 1, and this has the same 5000 mAh battery and 33 watts fast charging as compared to the previous generation CMF Phone 1. They added a new essential button for this phone, which helps to save products while you are shopping. You can use it in the camera app itself. This has 120Hz 6.7-inch 10-bit AMOLED display, and it seems good when compared to the CMF Phone 1. And this is packed with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro, which is similar to the 7300 with higher clock speed. Strangely, this is the same processor they had used in the CMF Phone 1, and this comes with UFS 2.2 storage. This is not a powerful processor at the price point, but these phone cameras are looking very good at that price point. This has 50 megapixel primary camera without OS and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 50 megapixel telephoto camera. And this supports 4K video recording with electronics image stabilization. Coming to the main part, is this phone worth at 20,000 rupees? Well, the answer is no, because in the spec sheet it looks very good, like essential button, telephoto camera and many more, but there are drawbacks also, like there is no improvement in battery, same display as compared to the CMF Phone 1 and same processor also. But if you get it at 16 to 17k, it would be a better deal. So that's it for the video, guys. If you watched the video till now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and guys are subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.